back, children. See, in earlier classes we have discussed about a democratic government. So in that lesson we have discussed about types of government. Okay, what do government do? That means the responsibilities of government. Okay, and see, we have discussed about democratic government. Okay, and we have discussed about checks on elected representatives, equality and democracy. Okay, see here, democracy requires that all people, men and women, literate and illiterate, rich and poor, beggars and officers, spare sometimes to understand public matters. Okay, it also requires they have access to all the required information about the activities of the government so that they can take proper decisions. Yeah. Equality of the democracy, equality and democracy. See, in front of the democratic government, every people of a country will be treated as a similar, right? Yeah, this is all we have discussed, right? And government at state level, government at national level, they have shown the two maps. Okay, national level, capital city New Delhi. Okay, state level, okay, each state have their own capital cities. Okay, so as like our Telangana have, which is capital city of our Telangana state, Hyderabad, right? And see here, government at different levels. Okay, government at different levels. You understood? See here, there are three levels at the government. Okay, village level, okay, that means we call it local level, okay, state level and national level. Okay, see that the government works at different levels. Okay, as I told, at the local level, at the level of the state and at the level of national. Okay, government at works at different level. At local level, in which level? Local level. And at state level, understood? At the state level and at the national level. Okay, at the local level, at the state level, at the national level. Understood? So, how many levels of the government? 3 levels. The local level means the government in your village or town or locality. The state level government works for an entire state like Telangana or Assam. And the government at the national level represents and works for the entire country. Okay. See here, local level of government means the village levels or also particular town levels. Okay, whatever that all government, they called as local level government. Okay, and come to the state level of government, a particulars about that state, right? For example, Telangana government, Assam government, Andhra Pradesh government, Uttar Pradesh government, like that. State level government. Okay, state levels they called as specific to the state regions. Okay, that called as state level government. And total about the country, about all states. Okay, total about the country, about all the states, whichever the government level is called as national level, total countrywide. Okay, and as well as which is international level, that another. Okay, that worldwide. That you can learn in your next further classes. Okay, see, you will read about how local level government functions, and when you go to the next classes you will learn about the how government functions at the state and central levels. Yes, see, in the village level, how is the government? It depends on the sarpanch levels, right? So we will elect in the sarpanch for each village. Okay, and the sarpanch should see the all the facilities, whatever either facilities are there or not, and collecting taxes. Okay, and even he have to be see that whether road transportation is good or not, or else whatever the government funds releases to that village, either the people need or not, or else whatever the village developmental activities. Understand? village developmental activities such as done by the village sarpanch, which is elected by the people in the elections, right? So that is village level. And come to the state level. In the elections, each state they are electing some of the MLAs, right? So from that MLAs, one they are going to be a CM. So and then separating the departments, each one department, each MLA will be ensuring of that, okay? And they will go for remaining all the duties in the state level, same as it is done in the national level, okay? See, organize 3 or 4 teams of your students and give each of them one of the following themes to perform a role play or skit, okay? It's in a play, but we were not at a place, right? It's in a role play, it's like in a skit about these all government works and all, okay? But you can do at your home along with your friends, okay? See, all you have to open the page numbers. I want to tell you about this all. See, first 1 or 3 page. See that all whatever they gave here, okay? Whatever they gave here, that is all nothing but a paper pics about the government, whatever they gave rules and regulations. If they gave anything to the public, if they spread to the news to the public, right? So that all the pics they have given here. See, why I am telling you, you know, you may think that why a teacher is explaining this one. See, sometimes in the question paper they might have will ask you, they'll show the pic, okay, they'll give the pic and they will ask you to elaborate this. So that's why every pic, everything you have to know, right? So that's why I'm telling you, right? So this is all the governmental responsibilities, okay? So there, why it is like this means this is all the newspaper clips, cut clips, okay? And next page, you can look at here 104 page. Here they give the post office pic, okay? Post office, okay? See, post office run by the government only, but it's run by national level government. Post office, railway department, it is railway department and postal department is under control of national government, okay? Remaining all road transportation and all state level government only, okay? And here they given a pic of Supreme Court. When you hearing the news, when it is a case or else any statement about the judicial activities, right? So at that time in the news also they will show the Supreme Court pic, okay? Supreme Court pic. See, if I ask you, if anybody asks you what is this, you have to say, understood? So what is this pic showing is Supreme Court, understood? It is a Supreme Court. See, High Court than Supreme Court. See, same like how the government have the levels, right? First local level, state level, national level. Same that courts also. District level courts, okay? District level courts, and then High Court, okay? Then Supreme Court. Understood? Then Supreme Court. For example, if anybody person did not get whatever the justice in the district level, they can appeal into the High Court. If he did not get justice, he might have appealed. He can appeal again into the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the final decision for judgment. Understood? So like that. Okay. Some examples of institutions that are a part of a government. See, post office is also a part of government. Supreme Court also. And here a railway station, it is also a part of a government. See, near our school, one of the railway station is there. Yes or no? Dichpalli railway station. So that is also railway department. That is also a government building. Okay? That is also a government institution. Even Nizamabad railway station. Okay? Railway department and postal department, once again I am repeating you, it is under control of national level government. Okay? See here, a railway station, Kachiguda, Hyderabad. Okay, in the Hyderabad. In Secunderabad railway station also it has a big railway station, as well as the second railway station, big second railway station in the Hyderabad and Secunderabad areas. This Kachiguda. Okay, and Nampally also it is so much big. It is an old station also, right? So this is all the governmental institutions. And here they give the assembly. assembly pick. It is in Hyderabad. Okay, why? Because Hyderabad is a capital city of Telangana. So this is a Telangana assembly pick. And here a modern statue of Shalivahana king. Okay, here they give the pic of modern statue of Shalivahana's kings. Okay, Shalivahana king statue. Understood? Here I told you Abraham Lincoln said a line about the democracy. Yes or no? See, that is the word here. What Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Okay, think over the words and see if you agree with them. Yes. Okay, he is Abraham Lincoln. And here in the previous class I explained you how the polling is done. Okay, in the polling areas. Okay, how the polling is done, they have clear cut, they gave a picture here. See, voting in rural areas. Okay, a mark, see, and whoever middle officer sat, no, so the middle officer is giving a mark on the finger. Okay, why? It is showing that the person has used voting. Okay, the person has used for voting. Then again the person should not repeat of voting. Understood? So that's why put on a finger to make sure that a person cast only one vote. Each person has to be used as one vote only, right? So that's why if the person come again also by looking that whatever the print on the nails, right, a mark on the nails, so by looking that already he used to, officers get to know and they won't accept to next again to come. Okay, that's one. And here representative democracy, they have given the peak here, one side of the people and another side of the government. Understood? You are looking at here. See, government is for people and people are making the government. That's why arrow mark two sides they have given here. Yes or no? Two sides. And here people are, see, elected representatives. Yes, people are elected representatives and form the government. Yes or no? In the form of elections. Okay, by the form of elections, people elect the representatives and form the government. Government represents the people and takes the decisions. Okay, to the represent of these people, government will take the decisions. Okay, decisions about the people only. Understood? And here a mass demonstration against a price rise. A mass demonstration against a price rise. For example, sometimes onion prices is so high. Yes or no? Some whatever daily needs. See, whatever the price rises, people are not going to be do the demonstrations on the roads. Okay. Daily consuming goods, whatever the necessary for even for poor people, that type of goods, if it is that type of goods prices very high, so government has to take some decisions. If they do not take the decisions, government, the people will do some like this mass demonstratives. Okay, see, example about onions, salt. Okay, example about any daily needs, daily goods. For example, if it is gold rate is high nowadays, the people are not asking a demonstration to do surplus the government like that. But if the petrol rises, because nowadays every people are consuming, yes or no? If it is a petrol rises, if it is a LPG gas, because every household are using LPG gas, yes or no? And onions and vegetables like that. If it is the necessary goods of the people, okay, the prices are, if it is the prices are high, the government has to take the decision to make it to lay down, or else the government has to give the subsidy on it. See, last time for the onions they gave the subsidy. Okay, they gave for lesser price. Okay, they said they sold for lesser price. So that time, at that times, people go for demonstrations on the street. Okay, it is giving like record. It is recognizing to the government officials who are representatives, right? And here, yeah, we have discussed about this. And here they give the Telangana state government at district levels. Okay, see, in the Telangana state, okay, this is all they have given every district borders, and it is have a different shade with the colors. Okay, one district to other district by easily knowing for us. Okay, we have given district borders also. Understood? See, district borders, and here district headquarters they gave with point. Okay, district headquarters they gave with the points, and district borders and the state borders also they have given here. Okay, government at different district levels. Understood? So you all have to read the lesson, and whatever I gave you homework, that all you have to be complete, and one by one you have to read. Understand? Okay.